2,
3, let's go!
Oh, hey guys.
It's Peanut and Ginger.
And Bonnie, and today we're playing with Fidget toys. I love fidgets, so we have a whole bunch to show you guys, and we're gonna stop. And today we're gonna. It's gonna be so fun. Yeah, and today we're gonna be like showing you them and doing some ASMR. So yeah. Stop shouting them. Would you look at that? Shh. First. Legendary pop at this point. Oh, this is a lot of work. Next side. Oh, this is so much work. I think I done like 50. Oh. Okay, now put the camera on me. Oh my goodness, this is so much work. I think I broke a few bones. Okay, next one. Next up, foam squishy. Squishy! Yeah. Oh, let me feel that peanut. Would you feel this peanut? It feels like a plushie. Ooh, it's so it feels like a plushie. Oh, look, it's Freddy Fazbear. What today? Oh no. Happy birthday. Look at me. Oh, by the way, guys, today we are filming this on April Fool's Night. Yeah. So, I have some bad news to make. What? We're done making videos. Yeah. April Fool! Yeah! You. Yeah, okay. ASMR time. I'm sorry, Peanut. It's ASMR. What's ASMR? You have to be quiet and make cool sounds. No. Like this. Okay, next one. Next we have Mega Squishies. Hey, my friend showed up. Okay. He has a little credit card, so if you want to see his credit card number, look closely into the thing. Beautiful. Okay. Anyways, let's do some ASMR. We also got this guy. Hey! It's ASMR time. Okay. This feels so gross. I think I got the virus. I know they feel so gross. They feel like chocolate. Oh, I got all the white. I'm going to try eating one. No, Ginger! Oh, we got to go call the doctor. Oh. Ew, it's a little yellow monkey. Oh, it's a poorly. Okay. Next fidget. Next is... Oh, I'm not even here. Okay. Next is these ziggy zaggy things. Stop. Bunny. Bunny, I saw some orange. Let's do some ASMR. Would you look at that? You ran my ASMR. What are you doing? What are you doing? Primary. Oh my god, I forgot my ruined Peanuts ASMR. I gotta take all my fidgets. Gotta take. What are you doing in my house? Gotta grab all the fidgets. Oh no, I tripped them. I gotta get the puppets. Get the puppets. Okay. Peanut, why do you have my toys? You have one of my toys. Oh, my orange puppet. Okay. Oh my god, Bonnie. Give me all the toys. No, guys, it's all good. It's just me. pick up all the sensory fidgets.
Bunny, don't go! Stop! Bunny,
And today we sponsor Shane plushies.
for the 50th time already.
Sorry.
It's so money.
Okay, and the last one. Pea poppers.
My turn.
Oopsie. Sorry. Go there. Sorry, yeah. Pea poppers.
Let's do a review on a friend Bunny here. Bunny, calm down. Bunny, stop. Bunny, that is it. You are leaving our home.
That's smart.
Peter, that feels cool.
I know.
You know, this is going to be like the best video.
Okay, let's put all the fidget toys and they're gonna rain on them. Here are all our fidgets together. Here are all our fidgets. So, got pea popper, ring a tang thing, got our 3 puppets. Yep. We got squishies. We got emojis. What the bunnies? We got and this tomato guy, and yeah, that's all I picked.
And look like real pretty.
And that's our fidgets today. Say bye.
No.
Bye. Ah.